Hello, today we are solving October 2022 IAL Unit 2 question number 6 part B2, the break even point in sales units. Okay, so now let's write what is the formula for break even point in sales unit. In the earlier part we had calculated the break even point in terms of sales revenue. So we can find the break even quantity that needs to necessary to be sold. In order beyond this point you will get, if you sell more number of units you will get a profit. So for this we can use the break even, okay, break even point after the sales, okay, in terms of sales revenue divided by the actual selling price, okay, divided by actual selling price. So that is going to be equal to, the break even revenue was 215,932 divided by the selling price, okay, the actual selling price is 4.95 pounds, okay, it is the selling price. So with this we can find, okay, because this is the formula in terms, you can, okay, you can also consider as cost is equal to quantity times the rate. The rate is the quantity is this one, okay, here what is the amount I need to sell, and this represents the cost, okay, and this represents the rate, actual selling price per unit, okay. So this represents the rate per unit that is being sold. So this is going to get us quantity to be sold at break even point. So that is going to be equal to 43632 units.